Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Mustaqim and I would like to present about my part, which is title of the assignment 2. So our title is Additive Manufacturing, which is a loop to handle by which computerized 3D design data is utilized to form up a component in layer by storing a material. So the term of 3D printing is progressively utilized as synonym for additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing employments information computer aided design, which is CAD program, or 3D object scanner to direct hardware to store material layer upon layer in exact geometric shape. As its title implies, additive manufacturing includes material to create an object. So thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Daniel Aziz bin Amrandi. I'm from BEEE S11. Today I would like to talk about my assignment 2, that is additive manufacturing. Okay, my part is about the objective and the introduction. First, the objective of the additive manufacturing is to develop a design methodology and center of the unique manufacturing capabilities of additive manufacturing technology. Second, to produce personal products with lower development process. Third, to encourage of less energy consumed during manufacturing and less managerial risk. Finally, the objective of the additive manufacturing is to yielding improvement functionality for specific products. Next, I would like to talk about the introduction for the additive manufacturing. First, Industry 4.0 is the recent move into intelligent innovation automation. In this modern time, they utilize of the advanced skills of the additive manufacturing inside. The setting of the data technology integration plays an important part in industrial financial competitiveness. Whereas a few of these benefits may be gaining nowadays, Industry 4.0 and additive manufacturing, when combined, can offer assistance and empower the creation of items that are first to market, completely customized and dynamic. These possibilities have the capacity to change manufacturing in significant ways. Our examination of the relative technology patterns motivate a system that capture the additive manufacturing move into mass manufacturing. A production chain is the method of the turning raw material into commodity, be that as it may, numerous steps are required to change over the available resource into items such as cleaning, manufacturing, and use. Then the generation chain method appears to have changed since additive manufacturing and innovation of 3D printing, that is we call 3D PDP, has changed is that custom products with difficult geometries can be designed and print with assistive of additive manufacturing. Hence, market can be provided without requiring companies to store or create or communicate a great expense. Whereas there are still a few gaps around its application in mass production. The use of AM in the Industry 4.0 is on the rise due to modern advance. Finally, the requirements for the finance for heat treatment depends on the component material, the working temperature, the environment within the finance, and of course the added substitute production process. Thank you.
My name is Mama Afizuddin. I will explain the literature review. The advantage of additive manufacturing AM of the industry is that it can produce up to 50% as a prototype or final project for very product to be produced. However, before an AM product can be used as a final product, it must be undergo certification quality control certification, which will prove that the product meets the certificate requirement, such as reliability and quality of a final product. There will be a product for sale to the customer. Today, the industry invite 10 times more in production of the final product than the prototype compared to quality with additive manufacturing AM and in traditional manufacturing AM technology. We produce better quality and products and replace existing technology and expand into areas that require advanced technology in the near future.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Hazika from section 1. So today I will present about part of methodology in assignment 2, which is additive manufacturing. So in addition, additive manufacturing method is relatively that it has become an important area in various industrial sectors. However, additional manufacturing is the process brings together the materials to make objects from the data model of computer design, which is CAD. Usually layer upon layer as opposed to subtractive manufacturing method. For first category in this method is wet photopolymerization, which is model construct layer by layer. However, this category is used for ultraviolet light, that is UV, used to cure or hard resin where need. So they have advantage and disadvantage. So for advantage is high level of accuracy and good finish. And then for disadvantage is this wet is expensive. And then advantage for wet is quick process. And for disadvantage is limit material use of photoresins. So next is binder jetting is a process used two material, which is powder, base material and binder. The binder is usually in the form of building materials in liquid and powder form. So they have advantage and disadvantage. So the advantage for these categories is process is generally faster than others and use a range of materials such as metal, polymers and ceramic. And for the disadvantage is not always suitable for structural parts, and additional post-processing can add significant time to the overall process.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Ghazi Biwan Muhammad. So what will happen when additive manufacturing is being applied in Industry 4.0? There are two probabilities will happen, which is advantage and disadvantage. The advantage, first, it can help an organization save a lot of time and resources by shorten the time for designing, prototyping and manufacturing. Second, it can improve the quality of the product and reduce the error. Third, improvement and research on material science for additive manufacturing. Disadvantage, first, the cost for production is high. This is because good quality of additive manufacturing machine is expensive. Second, poor quality additive machine may cause defect in product if no close inspection is done, thus lead to customer complaint and resources waste. Third, additive manufacturing like 3D printing is new technology, so there are lack of experienced user and also out of date software that being used not suitable for current material designing, thus lead to defect product.
As conclusion, additive manufacturing has appeared how AM is as much an interesting way of considering around manufacturing because it may be a better approach of developing components as computing framework have become more effective. The availability of computer program to slice CAD models for a layer by a layer development has paved the way of AM to thrive. A material processed by AM will frequently have very different properties compared with the same material handled employing a traditional strategy. Besides that, residual stress is an issue for all processes that experience huge varieties in temperature of additive manufactured components are no exception. Finally, additive manufacturing have encouraged of less energy consumed during manufacturing and less material waste use. Thank you.